Hello, how are you today? So, today I'm starting a bit of a new segment. I'm going to try and post 3 videos a week. 3 videos a week. 2 longer ones and 1 quickie. Okay, don't laugh at that, okay? For those who actually giggled at that, well, rest assured your humor is about the same as mine. But today, we're going to try and do baked onions or roasted onions. And they are an amazing side dish. What you want to do is just cut an onion in half, chuck it in the oven with a little extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of salt, and in half an hour, you have got a side dish fit for a king. Let's go and find our Joy. As usual, here's one of my joys, writing out the recipe with a Lamy Lux in rose gold, one of my favorite everyday carries or EDC. It's the easiest thing on earth. Get a large onion. Unfortunately, I could only get a medium-sized one, but anyway, it still works. Cut it in half, rub some extra virgin olive oil lovingly on the cut sides, sprinkle some sea salt, and then put it on an oven-proof dish and bung it in the oven. That's it. That really is it. Oh, and leave the skin on. The temperature of your oven should be around 200 degrees Celsius. In 20 minutes, what will happen is that your onion will basically steam a bit, but the cut side will also caramelize a bit. It will get soft and juicy and moist, and what you need to do is to turn it around so that the cut side can get a little sun and tan up beautifully. Leave it for only 10 minutes more or it will burn. Grab a pair of scissors and just cut off the ends so you can lift off the papery bits to reveal this gorgeous sweet hunk of onion, which you can use as a side dish, cut it up for your burgers, or anywhere you want to use some caramelized onions. Thanks so much for watching this shorty. Come back again soon to find your joy, and please subscribe and like.